Hello adventurers and welcome to the club. Today I show you how to make a chain guard for your bike cycle. Now I have a bit of this wire and this will go along here and back there. But I have to shape it first so it holds the shape. So. This is how it then goes. So. It's attached now. But I have to of course bend it sideways here. So, there we go. The problem is the sunlight over the years makes this stuff brittle and then it shatters. Now let's see if I can attach this. So, there we go. Very industrial looking, but it keeps the pens out of the chain. So I hope you've enjoyed this little project video. I tried to make a few more of those shorter videos. I probably won't start to make any of those really short videos. But anyways, yeah, hope you have enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time here at the Adventures Club. And now here I present you some bonus footage for those who stuck around till the end. Yeah, this is the bike cycle in question. I filmed this before I replaced the chain guard. We got a 3-speed shifter and yeah, it's not bad. Steering wheel is steering bar is not original. Teddy bear is also off on the market. Yeah, you can't really read the brand name anymore here, but yeah, it's a nice one. And as you see, the the chain guard is missing. Was missing. Yeah, little basket, and as a bonus, here I got another identical bike cycle in very good condition. Yeah, I bought this because I'm driving around so much on the other one that I thought having a spare one that looks nice to drive on a date or something wouldn't be bad. And here you see the chain guard as it was supposed to look instead of the broken piece that was left. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time here at the Adventures Club.